And we just secured the profit. Yes, $368.64. Beautiful. Hello, my gorgeous people. This is Emma, and you are back here on my YouTube channel. Today, as usual, I'm going to be trading on pocket option, and I'm so excited to see what this session has in store for us. I cannot wait to use my strategies and share some pro trading tips with you. So, why don't we jump in? Yes, amazing. All right, first of all, candles and M1 for the time frame. I'm going to enable the timer and let's see what we're going to pick. Well, first of all, super trend, then we're going to need the zigzag, then I'm going to need the Williams percentage range. All right, well done. I'm going to start with $100. Hello, Benjamin Franklin. And in this asset pair, in this market, I see that the price broke below both the downtrend channel midline and the super trend line, triggering bearish signals. And the oversold status on the Williams percentage range has been resolved. So it is time to sell, and we are, guess what? We are selling. Darlings, if you want to know how every tool, every indicator, and every oscillator truly works, I will be more than happy to explain it all to you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video. And honestly, everything I know and learn about trading is waiting for you right there. So don't forget to check it out. Because, even using the multiple indicators and oscillators, like today I'm using four superheroes, four puzzles of the mosaic that give me the understanding and the insight into every market situation I encounter during the session. It's really, really important that you understand how to deal with that. Perfect. Great. All right. Next asset pair. Well, I'm going to increase the bid to $192. Since we are on the right track and we got the first profit, I want to keep going in the right direction. So I think it's time to act. You see, the zigzag indicates an upward move and the price is heading towards the super trend line. And Williams still has some room to climb. So we're gonna use all of that and go for a call option. Let's go up. It is time to go up. That is right. My favorite thing to do. Beautiful. $192. We got, okay. You see the price is now heading downward and the oscillator is showing a clear path for decline. So it is time to sell, it is time to drop. And what happened in the last trade? I just want to explain it to you so you have a clear understanding. The price reversed the direction, failing to hold above the downtrend midline. And we closed with zero profit, but we didn't lose anything. And just a quick reminder, in case you guys forgot, the market is always full of surprises. And you have to be mentally and emotionally prepared for them because they can happen any minute and you gotta act and react quickly. You gotta be flexible and you gotta be really calm inside because that's how you can ensure you will get profit in the long term. Yes, $368.64. Beautiful. What a great result. All right, and see what we can do here. Okay. $360 for the next bid. That looks like a good amount to me. Now let's see. Okay, let's see the history. Okay. Well, I think it's good time to get into action now We are following the zigzag upward trend, and it's very, very clean. You see? Take a closer look. The super trend confirms the bullish direction, so it is definitely finally time to buy. Guys, and if you have any hesitation or you're not sure whether now it's the right moment to take action, just wait and observe. It never hurts to slow down, take a little time to see what is happening. You don't want to rush into any decisions because rush is always very risky. And we don't want unnecessary risk. We want to be sure that we know what we're doing at any given moment. So that's a piece of advice from me. And we just secured the profit, $691.20. Round of applause, please, because this result is truly amazing, isn't it? Yes, it is. Okay, and I'm gonna place $550 for this next one. Beautiful. And I see that super trend is signaling a short and zigzag is confirming the downward pattern. The support levels have been broken. You see? To the left, take a look. And it is time to sell. That is right. It's time to sell. We are selling. And drop, 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 and drop, 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 dropping. We are dropping. Oh God, I want to go dancing tonight, but it's been so hot outside that I could not leave my house until the sun goes down. Honestly, it feels like 35, and it feels like a sauna. And it's been this way for the past few weeks. Oh my goodness. Am I complaining about the heat? I guess I am. But I'm definitely not complaining about the profit. $1,056. Bravo, bravo. Well, $700 is my next beat. I am that serious. And darlings, look, price failed to stay above the Danshan midline, and there is a strong resistance. All the indicators confirm a downward move. So when everything tells me you gotta go down, we gotta go down. And we are going to wait for that drop to happen. And it's happening. It is happening soon. $1,344. Guys, did you just see that? With such a class amount, just $100, and look how much I got at the end of this session. I think it's fascinating what you can get if you really pay attention to what you're doing and understand the markets. It's almost $2,000 at the end of today's trading session. And if you feel inspired and you want to get the same consistent results over time, I will be more than happy to share everything I know and learn about trading with you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and that is where you will find the top tier strategies, the pro trading tips, unique signals, and powerful insights to get you on the next level of your trading journey. So I will see you there. I will also see you here very, very soon. And now I'm going to show you how I can withdraw my money. All right, because this profit needs to end up in my wallet. All right, I click on finance and then withdrawal right here. Then I'm going to make sure the network is right. Then I'm going to input the amount. I'm going to do 1,500. All right, and then I need to type in my address. And where do I find it? When I go to Bybit, it's click on deposit and then USDT Tether. Then I'm choosing the chain, TRC20, and here is my address. I just copy it and then paste it right here. Then I press continue. Beautiful. And the PIN code was just sent to my email, so I type it in here, and you see the withdrawal request has been sent, and that's what I have left on my balance. And usually the process is really quick, so I get the money and I can enjoy it. Hope you found it useful.